At CLIP, we follow the Oxford Reading Tree scheme, a well-established and widely used reading program. If your child is in lower school, you're probably familiar with these books, as they are a key part of our early reading journey. The scheme begins with wordless books that encourage storytelling, vocabulary building, and confidence in handling books. As children progress, the texts gradually increase in complexity, moving through a carefully structured sequence of levels, up to around level 20. By then, most students are confident, independent readers who start choosing books based on their own interests. Alongside Oxford Reading Tree, we offer a wide range of additional reading materials, both fiction and non-fiction, to nurture curiosity and a genuine love of reading. Topics like animals, space, and nature are always favorites. You will notice that the most books show the reading level on the back. While children often become aware of these levels, we remind families that reading isn't about racing through stages. Every child develops at their own pace, and our focus is always on enjoyment, confidence, and progress, not comparison. Teachers carefully choose books that provide just the right balance of support and challenge. In the early stages, books are intentionally short, and it's perfectly normal for children to memorize the texts. What matters most is that they begin to track the words with their finger, connecting spoken and written language. If your child doesn't yet decode every word, that's okay. They can use pictures and context for clues. This is a natural and important step in learning to read. Our Portuguese reading scheme begins with Livros das Letras, a collection designed to introduce children to letters and sounds through short, simple sentences. As they progress, they move on to short stories that include familiar words and structures. Repetition is central to this process. It helps children feel confident, recognize patterns, and develop fluency. The goal is not just to teach reading, but to help every child enjoy the journey and feel proud of their progress.